Buongiorno guys, it's Max Sinestra. I'm still in Surakarta, Central Java. Today we're gonna be exploring the local villages, trying some authentic Javanese food, unique satay, and then we will be trying the world's most famous fruit, durian. You're gonna love this episode. Andiamo! The first location of the day is very special. Let's find out why.
Oh wow! Hello, Pa.
We are here deep in the village, an hour away far from Solo, to see the preparation of a very special chicken.
Oh, wow.
Now they're cleaning the chicken. They will wash them too. They butterfly them and put it on a stick. They will roast them right in front of me over there. Now they are resting a bit, drying, then they will be placed inside a pot and will be cooked for 20 to 30 minutes. This is so real Indonesian food. We are ready for the second step. They are ready to be put in the pot with all the spices. Oh, boom. Nice. Oh, it is so hot. I'm changing color, I'm getting cooked too. Those are the spices, the secret mix of spices. Then we have sugar, salt, that creates a nice thick mixture of spices. Oh, it's finished. Pedas?
Yeah.
Full of spices. Might be a little bit sweet, spicy. Now, I think they're gonna let it rest for a while. As soon as you order a chicken, they place the already spiced one on the griller again to get it even extra smoky. I need to order one because I'm so hungry and this is so mouth-watering. Oh, the food has arrived. We have rice, obviously, some veggies, urap, yes. Then we have our lovely chicken. Then we have their homemade sambal and a bit of lalapan, raw veggies. I'm really happy to have this chicken feast. You always need to try the main thing first on its own. Oh wow! Mamma mia! A touch of spiciness, super tender, falls off the bone. A bit of smokiness coming from the way of cooking with firewood. Oh my goodness, so juicy! Well, now I need to have it with my rice. A bit of sambal, yupala. Next level, illegal. The sambal truly makes a difference because it's spicy, smoky, as well as the chicken. Somehow the chicken is almost sweet, super tender and juicy. You got a bit of nice crunch touch from the veggies, a bit of coconutty flavor coming out of it. You must come here and pay a visit because you will have the best chicken of your life. Enak banget, Bu. Oh, ayam luar biasa. Terima kasih semua, matur nuwun. And I've just been told that they've been making this chicken for 24 years. So it's becoming an institution here in Jatipuro. Success selalu.
Amin.
So nice. Now we go for something very special and unique. Satay with horse meat. Let's take a look. Halo, permisi. Halo, Bu. Oh, ini kuda? Sate kuda. Oh, wow. Kuda dari Jawa.
Jogja, Gunung Kidul. Dari mana?
Italia.
Oh, Italia.
Di Italia Selatan, kami bikin kuda. Kuda, daging kuda. Oh, saya suka ya.
Kalau di sana dibikin apa?
Steak.
Oh, steak.
Yeah.
Kalau
Iya.
di sini paling cuma sate sama
Sate.
tongseng.
Oh, sama tongseng. Oh, wow, they also made tongseng with the horse meat. Wow, unique.
Ya.
Here we have sate kuda, daging kuda.
Iya, sate
Oh, with horse meat.
kuda.
Unik ya?
Ya,
Sudah berapa lama bikin sate kuda?
udah 3 tahun.
Oh, 3 tahun. Oke, oke.
3 tahun.
Orang Indonesia suka sate kuda? Oh, mantap. Oh, bumbunya ini pakai kecap manis.
Kecap manis,
Gula.
tunggar, bawang,
Oh,
gula Jawa.
gula Jawa.
Ya,
Oh.
daun jeruk.
Daun jeruk.
Iya, daun.
Oh, it's quite unique. It's something that I never heard before. I tried horse meat before because in Italy we have, especially down south, but I didn't know Indonesia actually cooks horse meat, especially with satay. Nice. Our horse meat satay are here. Take a look. We have in these gorgeous red-looking chunks. Oh, even the color is quite unique. It's even more red than normal meat. Oh, nice. Obviously, it's all about those spices. Sweet soy sauce. I can really taste the lime leaves in it. I would say it's more tender than the classic goat meat satay. The meat itself is a bit sweeter than any other types of meat. And I'm glad that I tried it because this was a rare find. Matur nuwun.
Ya, matur nuwun. Bisa, terima kasih.
Thank you.
Hari panjang umur ya.
Yeah. Hello. Siang. We are inside a durian shop. They sell local durians. We are at the end of the season and we couldn't miss it. I love durian and I need to give it a try.
Mau nyoba yang ini per kilo 101 buahnya.
He picked one, is the master. Oh, yes. Oh, mamma mia. I love the color, so yellow. Let's try it out. The first bite of durian of the year. Oh, enak. Oh,
Okay.
enak, yeah.
Yes, ya.
Yeah. Oh, creamy, custardy, sweet, smelly. The best. This is durian. Oh, beautiful. Terima kasih. Now I have this beautiful local Indonesian durian in front of me. Can you see this happy kid right here? Yes, he's very happy to have durian. Let's grab a piece. Oh, so creamy. Can you believe that this is my very first time purchasing an entire durian? Oh, mamma mia, look! Local durian! Buon appetito! Oh. Oh, mamma mia! Durian is a fruit that not everyone likes it. Either you like it or you hate it. Everyone has a different perception of it. Whether sweet, buttery, custardy and enjoyable, some might say that it tastes really bad. Honestly speaking, this tastes very delicious. It's sweet, it's super unique. I would have it over and over and over again. It's actually not too strong. I expected it to be even more aggressive with smell and flavor, but it's nice, very creamy. I love the texture so much. Mamma mia, I love it. Terima kasih banyak semua. Matur nuwun. Thank you. Durian enak banget. Oh iya, enak banget. Halo Pak, selamat pagi.
Pagi ya.
Oh, ini soto.
Iya, satu.
Oh. Oke, saya mau satu soto.
Satu.
Oh iya. We start with rice.
Vegetable.
Yes, the bean sprouts, and then the broth, the legendary broth. Beef. Oh wow. Terima kasih ya.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Super old school place. Wow. This has to be one of the coolest restaurants I've ever been. As you might have noticed, we came to a very legendary place, open since 1939. 84 years. This is an institution and doesn't need any introduction whatsoever. What I've been recommended is to squeeze some lime in it. We have in front of us some tofu, some satay with this is quail egg, some more tempe mendon, some of my favorite, another fried tempe. We have crackers here.
Sama iso.
Oh.
Enak sekali.
Enak?
So, iya.
Okay. Siji.
Satu.
Yeah, I changed position as you can see. The lady came with some food. She said you have to try, and of course I'm gonna listen to her.
Kikil.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Oh, knuckle. I'm going to try the soto first with everything: herbs, bean sprouts, rice, and the broth. The meat is absolutely insanely delicious. The meat completely melted in my mouth. Oh, wow. And I love that nice crunchy touch given from the bean sprout. What a simple dish, but taken to the next level. Let's add the kikil now. A bit of sambal too. Let's see. Let's mix up everything. Oh, it's almost kind of sweet. Super jelly, fatty like. I love this consistency. And I was almost about to forget this satay, quail egg. I just put a couple in it.
Sekalian empal.
Oh, empal?
Daging.
Daging sapi?
Iya.
Okay, satu.
Satu.
She keeps offering stuff and I can't say no to her because she has a huge smile on her face and she takes so much pride in what she does. And I mean, this is what the channel is about. Terima kasih. Terima
Sama-sama.
kasih. Oh, yes, the meat. Super tender looking beef. Let's add that onto my broth. Oh, this meat is illegal. Sweet, tender. Oh, mamma mia. This is super, mega illegal. Enak banget.
Enak banget, betul.
Terima kasih.
Saya juga matur nuwun.
Matur nuwun.
Matur nuwun.
Iya, bahasa Jawa.
Oh iya. Kan pinter bahasa Jawa. Matur nuwun.
Matur nuwun. I love this place also because it seems like it's never been renovated. So it's like this since 1939. This is incredible. What an institution. See, she's so sweet. She gave me this as a snack to bring home. This is from cassava. It's called getuk. Please pay a visit to this place if you're ever in Solo. You will have the time of your life. For our second lunch of the day, we're going for an explosive meal. We're going to have tengkleng and sate kambing, two iconic dishes of Solo. Let's go and take a look. Halo Pas, selamat siang. Oh, ini bikin apa?
Ini bikin rica.
Oh, richa.
Ya.
It's a curry made with a lot of chili, richa, and goat meat. Oh, wow. There's a lot of action here. This is a crazy place. Everyone is so busy making tengkleng, tongseng, satay. This is meat heaven. Wow, what a gem that we found here in Solo. Ooh. They have two stations to make satay, satay kambing and satay buntel, and the station right here is for tongseng and tengkleng. We're gonna try a couple of dishes. They both will be explosive. Ini bikin satay kambing po?
Yeah.
Pakai lemak.
Ya, baru lemak.
I'm mouth-watering only by looking at this satay. Oh, wow, they smell so good. I think it's time to go and order and eat some delicious meat. Andiamo. Our food has arrived. I mean, look at this. Explosive tengkleng. We saw the making before. This is tengkleng, richa with a lot of chili. Everything is fully covered with spices, sweet soy sauce. Over here, we have satay kambing with goat meat. Everything is from goat. What you can see on top is pepper. Everything is completely soaked up and dipped in sweet soy sauce. Classic Central Javanese ingredient. All right, let's begin. Let's go for the satay. Only satay with meat, without fat. Buon appetito! Oh. Nice, chewy, juicy meat, peppery, a touch of sweetness from the sweet soy sauce, charred, touch of smokiness. Oh, what a great satay. Now it's time for Thankland Richa Richa. What's Richa Richa? Is this chili right here? Super spicy chili at the bottom. I mean, no spicy, no party, right? I mean, you can't come to Indonesia and not having spicy dishes. Let's get one. Oh, wow. It's falling off the bone. Oh, mamma mia. Oh, the meat. It is insane. Super mega tender. Sweet, spicy, delicious. It's joy for my mouth. Oh, wow. I'm a huge meat lover. This is really next level meat. Terima kasih semua, makanan enak banget. Makasih. Matur nuwun. Mari. Bye. So good. Oh, if you come to Solo, you must come to this place. It's illegal. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot for watching as always and see you next week. Ciao!